Hey guys, it's Full Flopis here, back with another video. In this video I will show you step by step how to buy Siacoin SC. And like you can see here, currently Siacoin is listed on OKX and Binance and Upbit. And out of these, and VCC exchange, I have no idea what that is. Out of these, I have used only Binance, okay? And I have been using Binance for over 3 years now, okay? And it's the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. And let me show you how to buy Siacoin on Binance. And by the way, you can see that Siacoin has USDT and BTC pairing. And in this tutorial, I will show you how to first buy Bitcoin and then trade that into Siacoin. You could also deposit Bitcoin. I will show you also that. But anyway, let's go. So when you sign up on Binance, link in description. After signing up, come back to this video. And it takes like a minute to sign up. And after you have signed up, this is your wallet. Okay, so when you go to fight and spot, all the cryptocurrencies you ever trade, buy, sell, whatever, all the cryptocurrencies will show up right here in your own wallet. Okay, so now how to actually buy Bitcoin, because like you see here, you can't buy Siacoin straight up with your credit card. Okay, so how to buy Bitcoin? So we are first going to buy Bitcoin and then trading that into Siacoin. So to buy Bitcoin, go to buy crypto. Then you have 5 options. You have bank deposit, credit and debit card, P2P trading, cash balance, and third-party payment by Simplex and banks. Out of these 5, I have used bank deposit, credit and debit card, and third-party by Simplex. You can use any of these. It doesn't matter. But I like currently credit and debit card and also the Simplex, because you can just buy it in just 10 seconds and it's instant. You instantly get the crypto, so I love it. All you have to do here is basically select how much Bitcoin you want to buy. It's automatically selected on Bitcoin. So all you have to do here is select. So follow these rules here. So how to buy with bank card input amount. You select how much you want to buy, Bitcoin you want to buy. Then just confirm payment details, complete safety verification, certification, and after that it's complete payment. And yeah, just select how much you want to buy, click buy BTC, then order it. Okay, so after you order it, it takes like a couple of seconds to get your cryptocurrency, and when you go to find and spot, the Bitcoin will show up right here in your wallet. Okay, so now how to actually change that Bitcoin into Siacoin, how to trade that Bitcoin into Siacoin. So that's how here's how you do it. So when you're in your wallet, the Bitcoin will show up right here. Okay, and to trade it in the Siacoin, all you have to do is go to trade, classic, and click search here and type in Siacoin's ticker, so as C. And here you have Siacoin/BTC. Click that, and that means that you can now trade the Bitcoin you just bought into Siacoin. Okay, so here you have sell orders, people who are selling Siacoin for Bitcoin to get Bitcoin, and here people who are buying Siacoin with Bitcoin, and we are currently buying Siacoin with Bitcoin. Okay, so what we have to do here is all we have to do is basically select limit or market. Limit means that if the price, for example, now these people think here that the price is going to go down, so they have put their buy order there, so it will execute it as soon as the price drops. But the order thing with limit orders is that if the price is not met, then your buy order won't go through. So what I do, I just market buy, basically meaning that you will get the best pricing that is currently. You just get it instantly. So I like to use market buy. So go to market buy, then just select how much Bitcoin you want to sell into Siacoin. So for example, if you want to sell all of your Bitcoins and buy Siacoin with all of the money, go 100% and then just click buy as C. Then it will execute the trade and the Siacoin will show up in your wallet. But you can also select if you want to sell, for example, 50% of your Bitcoins and trade that into Siacoin, then you can do it here. But anyway, after you have bought the Siacoin there, the Siacoin will show up here in your wallet. Now you can withdraw it and you can do whatever you want with it. So you can withdraw it here, but what I want to show you also is that how to sell a Siacoin. If you don't know how to sell on Binance, keep watching. So now the Siacoin is in your wallet. All you have to do is go to again trade, classic, click search and type in SC, and then click the pairing that you want to use. Let's say that you want to sell your Siacoin for Ethereum. Let's click that, and after here again here are people who are selling Siacoin for Ethereum, and here are people who are buying Siacoin for Ethereum. And now we are actually selling. So we go again market to sell it instantly, and here where it says sell as C, then just select how much you want to sell. Let's say that you want to sell all of your Siacoins into Ethereum, then you can just click sell Siacoin here, and then the trade will execute and you will have Ethereum. Now you can come again here and type in Ethereum, and then you can just keep trading. You can come here to click anything of these, and then market and buy with Ethereum. Okay, now we're paying Ethereum to buy ADX. Okay, so that's how you can trade basically also any cryptocurrency on Binance. Okay, now if you don't want to buy cryptocurrencies with your credit card, you can also deposit them. So all you have to do here is go to wallet, and again here, and here you can have the deposit. Okay, so you can get cryptocurrencies into your Binance account without buying them. But if you're a beginner, just buy here. You will get it instantly. It's very easy. I just showed you how to do it. Now I'll also want to add at the end of this video, I want to add that I've been in cryptocurrency since late 2016, and in the 2017-2018 bull run, all of the exchanges were full. They were so full that there were 2-month waiting list to sign up on these exchanges. Yeah, it sounds crazy now, but it was crazy. And I made the mistake that I didn't sign up on all of the exchanges before bull run. So when the bull run happened, and I think that we are 50% of the bull run now, and the last 50% is going to be insane. So there's going to be a lot of new people coming in. Okay, so when people join cryptocurrencies, they go to these exchanges, and these exchanges can't grow that fast. Like, it's a spike of people, even though there's many exchanges and all that. But I think that these exchanges are going to have some trouble when so many people at the same time want to buy these currencies, and that's when these exchanges get full. So to make you to secure your spots, I highly recommend you to sign up on exchanges now. Okay, sign up on Binance, also sign up on KuCoin, and sign up on Bitrue. You can find all of those 3 exchanges in the link in description. For example, if you sign up on Bitrue, you can get a lot of different bonuses. Check it out. Sign up on these exchanges, so when the time comes, when the cryptocurrency bull run really starts, you don't have to panic to get on these exchanges. You can just chill and say, hey, I already did it. Okay, that's very important. Also, check out the first link in the description to read my newsletter. So daily cryptocurrency related newsletter. I send daily emails about new videos, also anything cryptocurrency related, what I have found, all crazy valuable stuff about cryptocurrency. So check that out also. Join, it's free, in the first link in the description. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos.